Hi, sixth graders. I hope you're all doing okay and that you are ready to submit your design journal for Criterion D. So today we're going to be finishing up Criterion D, and you're going to be submitting your work for all of your design journal for Criterion D on ManageBack. So here's where you'll be submitting all your work today. It has to be in by 10 p.m. tonight. And you're going to turn in tasks 1 through 4 of Criterion D. You are still working in the template for Criterion D that I gave you on the 6th of April. So we're still working in that. So we're still here. So you'll be working today though on only task 4 because we finished task 1, 2, and 3, and now we're on task 4. So you'll be working on that today. So for task 4, you're just going to be outlining the impact of the solution, which means your game, on your client or target audience. So for our unit, remember you chose one student or maybe 2 students that you are going to help in a specific area in school. So now you need to, I know we can't talk to them, we can't test our games with them, so you're going to have to imagine and explain one impact your educational toy could have on the target student in a few sentence summary. So you'll think, will the learning experience of the 3rd grade students be different by using your educational toy? How? So if you decided that they were a kinesthetic learner or they were a reading, writing learner, whatever it was, and your game allows them to do that, how, with the area they struggle with, so your game allows them to use the type of learning skills that they're good at to learn the thing they're struggling with, how does that help them? How does that change things? So you need to imagine the impact that your educational toy would have on the student you chose. You'll be writing for about a few sentences. Try to write a paragraph between 4 and 6 sentences. If you'd like and you want to push yourself, you can support your ideas by referencing a source that talks about the links between learning and having fun through games and toys. I gave you lots of those at the beginning of the unit, and we worked with a lot of them during Criterion A. So if we go back to these earlier assignments from Criterion A, why game-based learning is helpful, how we can help different learning styles. If you look back at those and you'd like to take a peek at maybe how those things can affect learning, you can totally use those sources to help you. You just need to be sure that you cite them, right? Cite them using MLA. So at the end of class today or by 10 p.m. tonight, you're going to turn in all of your design journal for Criterion D. But before you do that, before you submit on ManageBack, I just want you to go back through and delete these extra guidances here that I've given you here. Maybe the example table, so this can be deleted. I only want your work being turned in. So you can go back in these templates and delete the extra things, not the headings for the sections, but the extra little bonus things, everything in italics or the examples, you can delete those, okay? Just keep your own work. Once you've done that, you're going to submit your work on ManageBack by 10 p.m. tonight. You need to be sure that you don't submit your work here on Google Classroom because we need to turn it in on ManageBack because that's your formative assessment for Criterion D. You can mark the assignment, this assignment, as complete after you submit on ManageBack. So once you submit all of your design journal for Criterion D and you finish task 4, task 1, 2, 3, and 4, you can submit on ManageBack, and I'll give you feedback on that by next Monday, and we'll be able to turn in our summative assessment next week. I hope that you have a restful week and weekend. I will talk to you later. Let me know if you have any questions through email or commenting on the post. Good luck. Bye.